Hey math friends! Welcome back to your channel, MSKTV. Let us start another exciting math question. Can you solve this expression correctly? 18 divided by 3 times, inside parentheses, 3 plus 3. Choose the answer that fits. Is it 1, 36, or 3? Take a moment to think, then answer. You have 3 seconds. Great! Let me mention that some learners think the answer is 1 because they first add 3 plus 3 and get 6. Then, they multiply 3 by 6 and get 18. Finally, they divide 18 by 18 and obtain 1. However, this method is not correct, so avoid this mistake. In math, we must follow the correct order of operations, respecting the PEMDAS rule explained earlier in our previous series. That means we always start by calculating what is inside the parentheses. So, 3 plus 3 equals 6. Now we look at what comes next. We have division and multiplication, and according to PEMDAS rule, we calculate them from left to right. First, divide 18 by 3. That equals 6. Next, multiply 6 by 6. That equals 36. So the correct answer to our question, 18 divided by 3 times, inside parentheses, 3 plus 3, is 36. Dear learners, keep practicing and get ready for more fun with MSKTV Learning. Thank you for subscribing and for sharing, so more learners can benefit from these lessons.